Come on, guys. I think there's a viewing deck park over here. Double J's, but I think it's paid 580 per hour. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god. Okay.
That is how it looks from down.
Two people can sit over there.
How are you, boss?
Good.
What checking please first time? Check weights.
Here?
Seatbelt check.
What is that?
Seatbelt.
Where is that? Here.
Okay, you on already?
Yeah. So these are brakes, right?
It's not on. Center. It's not on yet.
It's on.
It's on?
It's on.
Where?
It's on.
It's not light coming.
It's on.
Ah, okay. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
So nothing to do, they teach you on top, okay?
Sure.
Okay, bye-bye.
There we go. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah. It's a little scary, but I think I'm going to have fun. I'll come to know once I'm coming down. Oh, oh yeah. This is how it looks. Oh wow. And I'll be going right over there on top. Oh my god. God have mercy, man. Ooh. Oh man, oh man.
Hold this boat
Yeah,
and push it down.
push it down so that.
You do it now, please. Yeah, pull down.
Yeah,
You keep it this way, that's the way you go. Okay?
yeah.
Just in case you need brake, you just simply bring it back slowly.
Yeah, so if I want to go slow, I can go slow.
You can go slow. You actually use the brake and then push again, so you go.
He's so, yeah, managed like this.
Manage
Okay.
it. Okay.
I hope I can manage. 1 second, 1 second. Yes, good to go.
Okay. So when there's someone in front of you, keep your distance.
So these are brakes and this is
Yes,
go.
sir.
Yeah. All right.
This one's distance when there's someone in
Sure.
front of you. And when you reach to the end, you just
Sure, sure, sure.
slow down. Okay. Let's go. Enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Hello, sir. How are you doing, sir? Sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Slow is better, I believe. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm falling out. I'm falling out. I'm falling out, man. This is crazy. I'm falling out, man. I'm falling out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Really? I'm falling out. I'm falling out, man. Oh God. 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 Oof. Oof. Now that's really sharp. That's really sharp. That's really sharp. That's really sharp. That's really my God. Oh. Finally. Oh. Okay. What's... One second. It's not stopping. How do I get out? Don't try. It's dangerous, man. It's dangerous actually. You have to control the speed very bad. Thank you.